Settings, Timed Actions. On this tab, you can see a table of your timed actions. Using this, you can trigger your actions based on an interval, chat line count, or both. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can't sort or filter anything in this table. In the table you can see Name, the name you assign to the timed action. Enabled indicates whether the timed action is enabled and can produce events. If it's disabled, the text in the row will turn red. Interval shows interval in seconds set for the timed action. Lines shows chat line count set for the timed action. If you right-click anywhere on the empty space in this area, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add opens a dialog to add a new timed action. In the Add dialog you have Enabled sets the state of the timed action. Repeat determines if the timed action should repeat itself at the given interval. If unchecked, the timed action will run once and then disable itself. Name the name of the timed action. Interval sets the interval in seconds at which the timed action should run. It is also can be set as a random value within a range by checking Random checkbox. Lines sets the number of chat lines that must pass before the timed action runs. If both interval and lines are set to 0, the timed action will not run. If only interval is set, it will run at that interval. If only lines is set, it will run when the specified number of chat lines passes. If both are set, it will run when both conditions are met. Beware, in the current version there is a bug with the line count condition. If you have connected more than one streaming platform to a Streamer.Bot instance, it will not recognize which chat to monitor for lines. As a result, any value other than 0 will prevent the timed action from working. One workaround is to create a copy of Streamer.Bot and connect only one platform in each instance. If you double-click on a timed action, it will open the Edit dialog. If you right-click on any single timed action, you will see the following options. Add opens a dialog to add a new timed action. Edit opens the Edit dialog for the selected timed action. Delete prompts you to confirm the deletion of the selected timed action. Keyboard shortcut Delete. If any triggers are using this timed action, they will stop working. Beware, when you create a timed action, it is assigned a unique internal ID. If you add back a timed action even with the same settings, triggers will not revert to it automatically, because they were connected to the old internal ID, not the name you see in this table. Repeat toggles the repeat setting of the selected timed action. Enabled toggles the enabled state of the selected timed action. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl-O. Add to expert. Add the selected timed action to the expert. Copy timer ID. Copies the internal ID of the selected timed action to the clipboard.